Hi, if you're watching this video, then I have manifested you here in this video, and you have to know this. This message is actually going to um, tell you how your month of August is going to be. And I mean, just look at this. First week, your second week, your third week, and your fourth week, along with the Empress. My God. So it's very much possible that you are in a soulmate relationship and you are worrying about certain things. Um, so you are okay. Hi, I am NJS, and in this channel, I help you to connect with your higher self and to manifest your dream life. So, in this month of August, I see so much happiness coming for you. बहुत बहुत सारा खुशियाँ आपके लिए यूनिवर्स की साइड से आ रहा है, जो कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा हकदार हो जिसका. इसके लिए आपको थोड़े से एडवेंचर्स के लिए जाना चाहिए. देयर हैज़ बीन सम ट्रैवल प्लान्स दैट यू हैड, तो उसके लिए आपको थोड़े एडवेंचर्स करना चाहिए. हो सकता है वो ट्रैवल के रूप में हो, या मे बी एक नया बिजनेस का स्टार्टिंग, या किसी चीज़ का स्टार्ट कर रहे हो. देयर इज़ अ न्यू थिंग दैट यू आर स्टार्टिंग. मे बी I am talking to some people who are Pisces, some Leos, some Taurians, Sagittarians, Libras, Gemini, um, and I see Cancerians, um, yeah, um, Aquarians. So these are just some of the signs I'm telling you, but trust me, the message is so good for you. And I myself, I'm born in August, so this is amazing. The first week of August is going to hold a lot of happiness for you. You are going to be blessed with lots and lots of happiness. The second week of August is going to have a lot of money and material wealth bestowed to you by the universe. So, for all the August babies, this is an amazing, amazing time. So, congratulations. You will feel extremely happy, like this person you can see with the Nine of Pentacles. There's going to be a lot of abundance in your second week, and from the second week it's going to start. And what is going to grow in your life will be, what you need to focus on is the wisdom. You have to learn how to grow your money, how to grow your happiness, how to stay in a state of happy vibe. सेल्फ के साथ कनेक्ट करके खुश रहने का जो है, यू नीड टू नो अबाउट दैट रियली वेल. एंड आई सी इन द थर्ड वीक द एज ऑफ पेंटिकल, अगेन न्यू मनी, न्यू investments, new things growing in your life. If you're having a business, it will work very well. There's a lot of growth that is coming from the universe, and it's going to be an amazing, amazing month. So you have to be in a state of flow. Do not hoard anything. Don't get into that mode of hoarding, because you are meant to be a millionaire. At least I can surely say that. And in the fourth week of August, it's a confirmation. In the fourth week of August, I see you in a power role, a lot of power, a lot of strong position, wherein you will be sitting as the emperor. Maybe this is your masculine, and you will be sitting as an empress. So there's going to be a lot of growth. तो आपको मेक श्योर करना चाहिए कि पहला वीक जो है उसमें आप थोड़े एडवेंचर्स लाए. एडवेंचर्स कैन बी इन एनी फॉर्म. आप कहीं घूमने जा सकते हैं, आप जहाँ पे रहते हो वहाँ पे एडवेंचर्स कर सकते हो, आप जो बिज़नेस है उसमें कुछ एडवेंचर्स ले सकते हो, कुछ रिस्क्स ले सकते हैं. जो चीज़ें आप पहले आपने किया नहीं हो वैसे चीज़ें करें. एंड सिम्बॉलिकली इट कैन रिलेट टू योर इमोशंस. बहुत सारे इमोशन से रिलेटेड यहाँ पे आ रहा है. it's a lot to do with your emotions actually, to be in that flow state. You are asked to go, let your emotions flow, let creativity flow. So that is coming for you. And there's going to be a lot of renewal, lot of regeneration. And water falling from a great height signifies that when you are when you just let when you just believe in the universe and just start something, and you go into the flow state, abundance starts. So you are asked to activate your new experiences, and something really exciting is coming around the corner. You're entering a new frontier filled with expansive energy. Something that you thought was mundane or someone whom you may have overlooked will open new door of opportunities and bigger and bolder way of living. So be willing to see the world around you in new ways. Don't be lulled into complacency. And is going to this card is going to it's basically showing you that remove your blinders, take action, so life doesn't become stagnant and lackluster. It also signifies incredible spiritual attunement and spiritual voyage. So see, it's such a positive card. आपको अपने स्पिरिचुअलिटी के साथ कनेक्ट करना है. मेडिटेशन प्रैक्टिसेस आप अगर करते हो तो ग्रेट, अगर नहीं करते उनको शुरू करें. यूनिवर्स के साथ आप कनेक्ट करें, बिकॉज देर इज़ this amazing energy that is planned for you. This is what you have to do. Adventures जो है वो आपको make sure करना है that you don't let your life become stagnant. This is something that you have to do, and what will be growing when you do this will be abundance. So you will be in a very abundant state. Things that you did not even expect will start happening for you. So wildflowers are not intentionally planted, they're untamed, they're natural, and they're free, and their fragrance calls bees to pollinate them, so their seeds are created to continue the cycle of life. These kinds of natural flowers don't try to profuse and beautiful. These are just beautiful without any struggle. So they're abundant without effort. Prosperity is your birthright. So everything is blossoming in your life. Open yourself to receive. So for that, you will have to go for adventure. You have to take steps so that you unstuck your life. If you stay in a stuck energy, अगर आप जहाँ पे और कुछ एक्शंस एकदम भी नहीं लेंगे तो फिर ये बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा आपकी लाइफ में अट्रैक्ट करना. बट ये आपके लिए डिस्टाइंड है, तो आप एक्शंस ले ही लेंगे. यू विल गो समवेयर एंड डू सम फन एक्टिविटीज एंड स्टफ. So life desires you to prosper. You are moving towards an outpouring of money, energy, time or love. Opportunities are limitless. However, you must take actions in direction of your dreams. So देखिए, सब कुछ आपके पास होने के बाद अगर आप एक्शन नहीं लेंगे तो फिर it will become tough. So you just have to get out of that stagnated energy and just move. And a lot of growth is coming in anything that you will start, whether it's a business, a new relationship, something to do with what you already have. So just be grateful for it and let it even flow. So there's a lot of flow that is happening. See, this card is also showing flow, if you can see. दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. This is also flow. This is also talking about flow. This is talking about creating wisdom, underwater wisdom. So the month of August is going to be amazing for you, and you should have a vision board at this time, because your manifesting power is very much at its peak. You can make things come in existence provided you believe in that. And all you have to do is make sure that your daily life is not mundane and boring. You have to make some amendments here and there, like taking good self care, connecting with yourself in solitude. और खुद को मतलब जितना आप हकदार सोचोगे उतना ही आपके लिए आएगा. बट अगर आप नेगेटिव पेसिमिस्टिक माइंडसेट में जाएंगे तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा, तो हम सबको ही पता है. तो जस्ट स्टे इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, और बहुत बहुत खुशियाँ आपके लिए आ रही हैं. एक्शंस ले, लर्न करें हाउ टू क्रिएट मनी एंड हाउ यू कैन मेक मनी एंड हाउ यू कैन ग्रो मनी, बिकॉज मनी इज ऑल्सो बिग टाइम इन योर चार्ट, एंड दिस इज अमेजिंग. आई एड अ क्लिप ऑफ द रीडिंग हियर, and I hope you like the video. I am very happy and honored to share this message with you, because this is what universe wants you to know right now. So subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, then please hit the like button and click the bell icon down there, so that I'm going to post a video in multiple times in a day and you get notified for it. I hope and pray that you have lots and lots of love एंड लाइट इन योर लाइफ. जो भी चीज़ें पहले अटक गया था या वर्कआउट नहीं कर रहा था, ये डेफिनेटली अभी वर्कआउट करेगा. आप पास्ट की एनर्जी में बिल्कुल ना रहें. मेनली महीने का 4 मेन चीज़ों पे आप फोकस करें. एडवेंचर, विजडम, अबंडेंस एंड फ्लो, इस साइकिल में रहे, खुद का नॉलेज बेस बढ़ाए, खुद को और नया चीज़ें सिखाए, साथ में अबंडेंस के लिए मैनिफेस्टेशंस का जो वर्क्स है वो सब करे. आई विल लिस्ट डाउन some you can buy it from our website also, journals and what do you call this, affirmations, because affirmations really help you to um, retrain your mind, and that can really help. In my life I've manifested most of the things, so that's why I'm telling you from a space of good heart. And yeah, let it flow. Don't become rigid about things, about your ideas and beliefs also. So just be open to receiving, and be willing to try new things, experiment new things, and take the risks, because if you take the risk, it will work out well for you. And subscribe. Bye.